I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking potatoes and okra in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, I'm going to slice potatoes and okra and season them with chili powder and olive oil and cook them in the air fryer to perfection. Instead of chili powder, feel free to use any of your favorite seasonings. Before making this video, I washed the potatoes and washed the okra. So now I'm going to peel the potatoes and cut it into small pieces. So super simple, just peel them with vegetable peeler. And repeat with the remaining potatoes. And now I'm going to cut this potato into pieces. Just cutting it into small cubes. And I'm going to put these pieces in a bowl. It will make it easier to toss with oil and seasonings. And now I'll cut the remaining potatoes. So now all the potatoes are cut, and next I'm going to cut the okra. So I'm going to cut off and discard the stem. So see those stems at the end? So we don't want these, but now the okra itself, I'll just cut like this. And we'll add them to the potatoes. And repeat with the remaining okra. So now I sliced all the okra. I'm going to add it to the bowl with potatoes. And now I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil. So I just eyeball everything, but if you do want measurements, I would say a pound of okra, a pound of potatoes, a tablespoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of olive oil. But I'll just drizzle it with oil and sprinkle with chili powder. And now mix it so it's coated evenly with oil and seasoning. I decided to add a little more chili powder. I always encourage you guys to be creative. Use as much seasonings you like. Use whatever seasonings you like. Totally up to you. Make it your own. And now okra and potatoes are tossed with oil and seasonings. And let's open the air fryer basket and put it in the basket. Put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 22 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the potatoes and okra so they cook more evenly. And now I will put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this okra and potato. That looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now the cooking time depends on the size of the potato pieces. So if the potato pieces are larger, it might be still not tender enough. So try one and see. If they're not cooked, just return to the air fryer for a few more minutes. But for this size of small potato cubes, this time was perfect. And they're tender and perfectly cooked. So I'm going to take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. It looks so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try them. I'm going to try a piece of okra and a piece of potato. It tastes so good. They're so crispy, perfectly seasoned, and tender inside. And another awesome thing about this recipe is if you ever tried okra and you think it's slimy, well, in this one, there's zero slime. When you slice okra and cook it this way in the air fryer, it just, slime magically disappears. And it tastes so good with potatoes. It's a perfect combination. Give it a try, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!